नाउ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ अ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, राइट। जैसे हम इक्वेशन सॉल्व करते थे, राइट, विथ टू वेरिएबल वन वेरिएबल, तो हम उसमें से वेरिएबल की वैल्यू फाइंड करते थे, उसको हम इसका सॉल्यूशन बोलते थे। दैट मीन्स ऑल possible values of variable which satisfy the equation is called a solution of that equation. So similarly here, solution of a differential equation, if for a function defined on some interval, right, so function जो है वो कोई interval में defined है, then there exists a derivative of f up to order n, right. So here we have to solve differential equation, means differential equation is the equation, right, which are in polynomial form of its derivative means dy by dx. So it's given that it exists a derivative up to order n. So कितनी भी डेरिवेटिव आ सकती है, तो इसमें जो है, इसमें से if the function f and its derivative together satisfy the given differential equation, right, function and its derivative, right, satisfy the given differential equation, then that function is called y equal to fx, the function is given, is called a solution of a differential equation, is called a solution of differential equation that you know, right. Suppose you have one function y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x, right. A cos x plus b sin x is the given function, right. So now what to do? For general solution, if you want to find out the general solution of differential equation, then you have to differentiate that differential function, right, as many times as there is a arbitrary constant exists. So here two arbitrary constant a and b, that means we have to differentiate this different equation two times, because this is two arbitrary constant. So differentiating first, what we get? y1 is equal to minus a sin x, because derivative of cos x is sin x and derivative of sin x is cos x. So plus b cos x. Again differentiating this function, what we get? y2 is equal to minus a, derivative of sin x is cos x and derivative of cos x is minus sin x, right. So we get y2 is equal to, if we take minus common, then this is a cos x plus b sin x. We get a cos x plus b sin x. That is y2 is equal to minus y. That is y2 plus y is equal to 0. This is nothing but y from 1. So if we take this as a 1, so this is due to 1, right? So this is the function y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x is said to be a solution of this differential equation y2 plus y equal to 0. Either you can write this also, d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. So function and its derivative satisfy these equations. If you subtract down d square by dx square and the value of y which satisfy this equation, so it is called a general solution of a differential equation, right. So what is general differential equation? A function and its derivatives satisfy the given differential equation, then the function is said to be a solution of this differential equation. And for getting a, आपको यदि इसका डेरिवेटिव प्रूव करना है कि इसका सॉल्यूशन है, तो क्या करना है? जितना भी आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट है, ये दो आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट था, तो हमें टू टाइम्स उसका डिफरेंशिएट किया, राइट. सो यू हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट एज मेनी टाइम्स एज वेरिएबल इज एग्जिस्ट. That is, here two arbitrary constants exist, so we differentiate these two times, so we get this, right. Almost 99% एग्जांपल्स जो है इसमें आप इसे डायरेक्टली सॉल्व करेंगे तो डायरेक्टली आपका इक्वेशन आ जाएगा. मगर जो पावर था एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन होगा, तो जैसे डेरिवेटिव में बताया था वैसे आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में सब्स्टिट्यूट करके इक्वल टू 0 फॉर्म ले लीजिए, तो आपका हो जाएगा. दैट मींस a given function is a solution of a differential equation. आपको प्रूव करना है तो आपको ये डेरिवेटिव का एग्जांपल सॉल्व करना है इन शॉर्ट, और जो आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट है इसको रिमूव करना है. दैट इज द मेन प्रोसीजर, वो आपको याद रखना है, राइट. तो जो गिवन फंक्शन है वो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन है, वो प्रूव करना है, तो आपको डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन सॉल्व नहीं करना है, आपको डेरिवेटिव्स का प्रूव दैट एग्जांपल था. इफ y इज इक्वल टू दिस, देन प्रूव दैट d square y by dx square plus y equal to 0. तो वो इसका सॉल्यूशन ही हो गया, बिकॉज this satisfy and its derivative y1 and y2 satisfy this given equation, so it's called a solution, right. Now a general solution, a solution, right, in which there is a of a differential equation is the form is the solution containing as many arbitrary constant as the order of the differential equation. जो जनरल सॉल्यूशन है इसमें आपके पास डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है, इसमें जो ऑर्डर क्या है इसका 2 है, तो इसमें आपके पास 2 आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट होगा वही उसका सॉल्यूशन होगा। तो देखो ये ए एंड बी 2 आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट है, राइट। सो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का जो जनरल सॉल्यूशन है इसमें जितना इसका ऑर्डर रहता है इसका इतना आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट इन्वॉल्विंग होगा, राइट। मींस आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट 3 है तो इसका ऑर्डर 3 रहेगा, आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट 5 है तो इसका ऑर्डर 5 रहेगा, आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट 1 है तो इसका ऑर्डर 1 रहेगा। 1 ऑर्डर है तो आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट 1 होना चाहिए, राइट। Verify given function is a solution of differential equation as we discussed in previous video, right? If you want to prove that given function is a solution of differential equation, then what you have to do, you have to differentiate the given function as much as time as derivative is given. So here second derivative is given, so we have to differentiate this function 2 times. Here same question, highest order derivative is 2, so we have to differentiate number of times of the order is 2, here is order 2, so we have to differentiate this as a 2 times, right? So this is given y is equal to e raised to minus 3x and this is nothing but ये आपको क्या करना है, जो डेरिवेटिव्स में एग्जांपल प्रूव किए थे वैसा एग्जांपल ही प्रूव करना है और कुछ नहीं करना है, राइट। सो दिस इज अगेन अ रिवीजन ऑफ अ डेरिवेटिव। सो डिफरेंशिएटिंग रिस्पेक्ट टू x व्हाट वी गेट, dy by dx is equal to derivative of e raised to bracket is e raised to bracket and derivative of bracket is again minus 3, so we get minus 3 times e raised to minus 3x, right? Equation number 2. Now again differentiating respect to x, we get d square y by dx square is equal to minus 3 constant and derivative of e raised to minus 3x is again minus 3 times e raised to minus 3x, that you know. So this becomes minus minus plus, so d square y by dx square is equal to 9 times e raised to minus 3x, equation number 3. Now what we have to prove, we have to check this. So taking left hand side, so if this after substituting value of d square y by dx, dy by dx and y, if we get 0, that is this equation satisfied, then we can say that this is a solution of this differential equation. So left hand side is d square y by dx square is 9 times e raised to minus 3x, right, plus dy by dx, dy by dx is this, that is minus 3 times e raised to minus 3x and minus 6 and y is e raised to minus 3x is minus 3x. So this is 9 times, this is minus 6, minus 3 is minus 9 times. So what we get, 9 times e raised to minus 3x minus 9 times e raised to minus 3x is equal to 0. That is your right hand side. Therefore this is a solution of this differential equation. So therefore we have to write y is equal to e raised to minus 3x is a solution of d square y by dx, or I am writing y2 plus y1 minus 6y is equal to 0. I am not writing d square y by dx square. So this is the way to solve. आपको ऐसे एग्जांपल सॉल्व करना बहुत ही इजी है। डिफरेंस डेरिवेटिव का जो एग्जांपल सॉल्व किया था प्रूव दैट वही करना है। ये तो हमने जब मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था प्रीवियस वीडियो में दिखा दिया था आपको how we get this. So you have to solve this question. Now then from exercise 9.1 question number 1 page 385 is y is equal to e raised to x plus 1 and differential equation is given y double dash minus y dash is equal to 0. Y double dash minus y dash is equal to 0. Right? Now we are familiar with this type of notations. This is second derivative, this is first derivative. So we have to differentiate this function with respect to x. How many times? Order is 2, so we have to differentiate 2 times. So y is equal to e raised to x plus 1. So y1 is your derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus 1 0. Again differentiating, we get y2 is equal to e raised to x. Right? Now this is y double dash minus y dash. What we have to do? Y double dash minus y dash. So taking left hand side is y double dash minus y dash. That is e raised to x minus e raised to x is equal to 0. That is your right hand side. So we can say that y is equal to e raised to x plus 1 is the solution of this differential equation. So therefore y is equal to e raised to x plus 1 is the solution of y double dash minus y dash is equal to 0. Right? So बहुत ही easy questions है. Right? I hope so कि आप एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. तो मैं आपको इसमें से कुछ होमवर्क देता हूं मगर जगह नहीं है, पहले इसको रब आउट कर लें. सो अनदर क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, पेज 385. y equal to x square plus twice x plus c, y dash minus twice x minus 2. Similarly here, see, this is dy by dx, this is twice x plus 2. Taking these two, this side, this is your solution. So you have to do this. Similarly, y is equal to cos x minus sin x, y dash plus sin x equal to 0. So this is absolute type equation, all are done. Now this is y is equal to under root 1 plus x square. Right? So given y is equal to under root 1 plus x square, equation number 1. And we have to find out y dash, means first derivative. So derivative of this y dash, right? Derivative of root bracket is 1 upon 2 root bracket. So this is 1 upon 2 root bracket. And derivative of bracket is, derivative of 1 is 0 and x square is twice x. So this 2 will be cut. So we get y dash is equal to x upon under root 1 plus x square. Now we doesn't require this root 1 plus x square. Right here we want 1 plus x square only. Right? So divide and multiply by root 1 plus x square. What we get? We get this, divide and multiply. So if we divide and multiply, then y dash is equal to, now this 1 plus x square is nothing but y. So we get xy upon a root x, that is x, right? So we get 1 plus x square. This is your solution, right? Therefore this is the solution of y dash is equal to this. You have to write, therefore y is equal to under root 1 plus x square is a solution of y dash is equal to xy upon 1 plus x square, right? Now this is, differentiate this and multiply by x, you will get your answer. So nothing to do, you can do it. Now here, y is equal to x into sin x. This is given, right? We have to prove that this is the solution of this differential equation, right? Here y dash is given, that means we have to differentiate this function only once. So differentiating this function once, we get y dash is equal to, this is u into v. Right, as I told you, right? बहुत सारे years के पहले मैंने बताया था, जब कोविड भी नहीं आया था, कि जब डॉट आता है तो आपको u into v करना है. So keep x as it is, derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x as it is, and derivative of x is 1. So this is y dash. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply by x, because x y dash. So for that, multiplying both sides by x, we get x y dash is equal to x square into cos x plus x into sin x plus x into sin x. Now x into sin x from 1 is y, so this is y. But in solution there is no cos x. So if you want to remove cos, then what you have to write? Cos x is under root 1 minus sin square x. So writing there, we get x y dash is equal to x square. X y dash is equal to x square into under root 1 minus sin square x. Cos square is 1 minus sin square, but this is cos, that's why square root of 1 minus sin square plus from 1, this is y because of 1. Now sin square x from 1 is y by x. So what we get? X y dash is equal to x square into square root of 1 minus y square upon x square. Got it? Y square upon x square, because sin x is y upon x plus y, again using result number 1. So taking LCM, x square minus y square upon root x square is become x. So therefore x y dash is equal to x square into root x square minus y square whole upon x plus y, that is x will be cut, x into under root x square minus y square and plus y. So you need to write y is equal to x into sin x is a solution of this differential equation. I have no space, so I am not writing, right? This is proof. Got it? बहुत ही easy examples है. Derivatives का sum solve करना है, इसमें भी ऐसा ही कुछ करना है. Given that xy is equal to, right? So xy is equal to given log x plus c. Equation number 1 where x and y not equal to 0, right? So differentiating this function with respect to x, because we need only first derivative, right? So x as it is, derivative of y is y dash, plus y as it, derivative of x is 1, log x is 1 upon x, and plus c is 0. So this is the answer, right? Now we need to find out y, right? So from this, if you have to find out the y, because you need y dash is equal to y square upon 1 minus xy. So क्या करेंगे अब हम? Y is equal to 1 upon x minus x y dash. ये होगा कि हम x y dash ही ले लेते हैं. चलो x क्या करते हैं, x y dash ही ले लेते हैं. तो क्या होगा, x y dash is equal to 1 upon x minus y होगा. 1 upon x minus y हो जाएगा. ओके, सॉरी यहां पे ही प्रॉब्लम था, इसलिए आंसर नहीं आ रहा था. तो xy is equal to log y plus c दिया गया है. So xy is equal to log y plus c. This is number 1. So differentiating with respect to x as it is, derivative of y is y dash, plus y as it is, derivative of 1 is x, derivative of log y is 1 upon y, into dy by dx is y dash, and plus c is 0. So equating this y dash now it's okay, right? So due to this problem, right, so y is equal to y dash upon y minus x y dash. Taking y dash common, so y is equal to y dash. So this is 1 upon y minus x, that is y is equal to y dash 1 minus xy upon y. Now it is given y dash is equal to, so taking this to here, what we get, y square is equal to y dash into 1 minus xy. Therefore y dash is equal to y square upon 1 minus xy. That is given, and xy is not equal to 1 given. If xy is equal to 1, then this is 0. So if you have to write xy not equal to 1, right? So therefore this function is a solution of this differential equation. Question number 8, page 385. Y minus cos y is equal to x is a solution of this equation. So given y minus cos y is equal to x, equation number 1. We need y dash, means we have to differentiate with respect to x 1 times. So differentiating this, we get y dash minus derivative of cos y is sin y minus, so minus minus plus sin y into y dash is equal to 1. But we require this is equal to y, so multiplying both sides by y, we get y into y dash plus sin y into y dash is equal to 1. Taking y dash common, we get y dash common, y, this is y dash, y plus y sin y is equal to y, right? Now from equation number 1, if you want to prove there is no y in this bracket, so we have to replace y. So y is x plus cos x, x plus cos y, sorry. So what we get, y dash into, now replacing this value y from 1, y is equal to cos y plus x, that is x plus cos y, right? And plus y sin y as it is equal to y. This is due to equation number 1. And what is this? X is x, cos y, y sin y. So this is the solution of this equation. So therefore y minus cos y is equal to x is a solution of y sin y plus cos y plus x into y dash is equal to y. Right? So both these equations है. Now this question number 9, page 385. X plus y is equal to tan inverse y, and we need y dash, means we have to differentiate only once. So differentiating this 1 y dash, tan inverse is 1 upon 1 plus y square into derivative of y is y dash. So cross multiplying this, we get multiplying here 1 plus y square plus y dash plus y dash y square is equal to y dash. Right? So this y dash will be cut, and what we get? We get our answer. See, both easy here, right? So 1 plus y square plus y dash into y square is equal to 0. That means therefore this x plus y is equal to tan inverse y is a solution of this y square into y dash plus y square plus 1 equal to 0. This is plus 1 equal to 0. Right? So next question is this. Question number 10. We are last में लिखेंगे 11, 12. Right? So y is equal to under root a square minus x square. So this is y is equal to under root a square minus x square, equation number 1. We have to prove x plus y divided by dx equal to 0. Derivative का example से. Difference in respect to y, we get y dash either dy by dx you need, right? dy by dx, right? हमको तो जैसा बोला गया है एग्जाम में वैसे खेल करना है, राइट? हम तो जो एग्जामिनर है इसकी कठपुतली है, राइट? जो रिमोट से वो करेगा वो रिमोट की कार की जैसे हमें करना है, राइट? डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट ब्रैकेट इज 1/2 रूट ब्रैकेट, सो दिस इज 1/2 रूट ब्रैकेट एंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ब्रैकेट अगेन is minus twice x. Now this is root a square minus y square is y, right? So we get dy by dx is equal to this 2 will be cut minus x upon this is y. If we multiply this here, we get y into dy by dx is equal to minus x. Taking these to left hand side, we get what we want to prove. So therefore x plus y dy by dx is equal to 0. So आपको लिखना है this is a solution of this differential equation. मैंने लिख दिया, right? मैंने बताया था कि जो जनरल इक्वेशन है इसमें हमारे जो विकल्प हमारे डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है वो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन की जो ऑर्डर होगा इतना आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट रहेगा, और जितना आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट है इतने टाइम हमें डिफरेंशिएट करना है, राइट? आफ्टर गेटिंग द सॉल्यूशन, जनरल सॉल्यूशन, जो आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट है इसको हम रिमूव करते हैं तो हमें पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन मिलता है. दैट मींस इन पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन देयर इज नो आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट, ओनली आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट्स बिलोंग्स टू जनरल सॉल्यूशन. वो भी कितना? इसके ऑर्डर के जैसा. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द नंबर ऑफ आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट इन द जनरल सॉल्यूशन, नंबर ऑफ आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट इन द जनरल सॉल्यूशन ऑफ अ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑफ फोर्थ ऑर्डर आर फोर्थ ऑर्डर. ऑर्डर कितना है? 4. तो कितना आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट रहेगा? जितना ऑर्डर इतना आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट, सो 4, राइट? एंड द नंबर ऑफ द आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट इन द पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन. आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट और पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन आया तो कुछ भी देखने की आगे जरूरत नहीं है. आंसर क्या आएगा? 0, बिकॉज ये ऑर्डर देखने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन में कभी भी आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट आता नहीं है, वो आपको पता है, राइट? सो आपको ये याद रखना है. सो दिस इज नाइस 2 क्वेश्चंस. जनरल सॉल्यूशन जितनी ऑर्डर इतना आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट, जितना आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट इतना टाइम डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो हमें उसका जनरल सॉल्यूशन मिल सकता है.